Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine, safe and healthy. I'm sorry I haven't vlogged these past few days because I've been very busy with the home renovation. My husband and I have been fixing our living room and dining room so we can use them this Christmas season. And yeah, a lot of things have to be done. That's why I didn't have enough time to edit my videos. But we also brought our kid to some events in the city and in the neighboring towns. We went to the Christmas market after 2 years because it was closed last year. And a year before that, I'm not sure. But finally, the Christmas markets are open here in Germany or in some parts of Germany, but we have to present our vaccination pass and our ID. So they're quite strict with that now. And then St. Nicholas, we celebrated St. Nicholas because here in Germany it's a yearly tradition. I'm going to show it to you. And then there's a parade of tractors here in the city. So it was quite interesting. A lot of things happened and I want to share them with you. But before that, I want to ask you guys if you have some comments, please leave your comments in the section or the comment section below. And then if you like my videos, please click like and subscribe. And without further ado, here's my new Christmas vlog. Guys, so we are in Schloss Meroda. This is the first Christmas market that we've been to this year.
And last year.
And last year we haven't been in a Christmas market too because they were all closed. So we are taking the Ferris wheel.
We're going inside the clouds.
Yeah, and then we're going
There's a cloud! There's a cloud!
For this year's Christmas market, we went to Schloss Meroda. Schloss Meroda has more than 840 years of history, and every Christmas they're famous for having romantic and cozy Christmas markets. So that's why we checked it out, and true enough, it was cozy, it was romantic, and laid back. So I liked it because it's not as busy as the Christmas markets in the cities. After taking the kiddie rides, we roam around the Christmas markets and we saw many interesting pieces, and we saw the craftsmen showing the people how they do their products. That was very interesting. I felt safe there because they were checking our vaccination pass, our IDs. So there are people at the gate who are checking all of these. So if you're planning to go there, better show your proof, otherwise you will have a hard time. So, meaning all the people who were roaming around in the Christmas market were vaccinated. After roaming around the castle, which I found very romantic, we proceeded to the kiosks and looked for something to eat. And every Christmas holiday, I'm craving for grilled salmon sandwich. And luckily, there was one who was selling this. So that made me happier. Roasted salmon with honey mustard sauce. And that is where it came from. Our son had German pancakes with vanilla sauce and glazed apple.
Salmon sandwich.
Salmon sandwich. What is this? Kaiserschmarrn.
Komm, Ewe, Prost.
And then Glühwein.
Ewe, Prost.
Kein Glühwein.
Ja, das ist hier kein Glühwein, das ist Kutscherglüh.
Prost.
Prost erstmal.
We enjoyed the rest of the evening, sitting by the fire, eating, drinking, and that was indeed cozy and very relaxing. They close at 10 o'clock in the evening, so we headed home. Luckily, it's not far away from our place. If you are living here in North Rhine-Westphalia, Schloss Meroda is in Langerwehe in Kreis-Düren. It's St. Nicholas Day, so someone is expecting that St. Nicholas is going to visit him tonight. Many people in Germany don't believe in Santa Claus, but they believe in the story of St. Nicholas. St. Nicholas is a saint who lived in Myra, now Turkey, a long time ago, and he was rich. He was helping the people. He shared his riches with the people. He gave food to those who were hungry, helped those who needed his help, and even helped the sailors. Then later, when he died, they transferred his body to Bari, Italy. That's why they called him St. Nicholas de Bari. He is also the patron saint of the village where I grew up in the Philippines. And
Christmas decoration? Sweets?
Oy. Many sweets there, huh? Many chocolates, huh?
Then,
Chocolate balls.
yeah.
Chocolate eggs.
Yeah.
Wow.
Then chocolate.
Bell?
Here's also another thing. Santa again.
Okay.
And then here,
Wow. What happened to your cookies?
he ate them.
He ate them?
I extra gave it to him. Dog! It's Lego Mario.
Oh. Seems like St. Nicholas heard you.
It's a starter set from Lego Mario.
Wow.
Music and sound. Press on to play. Many fun dragons. What? Look, that's cool.
They're going to give presents.
Außer nicht zum Teller zu laufen, jetzt noch was im Sack.
See? We're waiting for St. Nicholas. St. Nicholas is coming today.
Bitteschön. Eine Tasse, da würde sich der Papa sehr drüber freuen. Der hat früher viele Tassen.
Wow, danke schön.
Und was haben wir denn hier noch? Etwas für den Matthias. Ja, Matthias.
Bisschen.
Danke, lieber Nikolaus. Ja, Matthias.
Bisschen.
Bitteschön.